Good morning students. Welcome back in your online classes for English language. So students, today we are going to start a very unique chapter and the base form for the English language of your class 7. Before I start this chapter, already the name is written, what is noun, and noun is a word that contains person, place, thing, idea, so on. But I just would like to check with you once again. Before going for noun, I believe all of you are aware students that there is a parts of speech in English grammar, in English language. There is a parts of speech and the parts of speech is divided into 8 main parts: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, interjection. So these are your main topics which we will study in parts of speech. So today we are going to discuss all about noun. So before we discuss about noun students, I just request every one of you, please think for 10 seconds and tell me a single thing, single person, single place in this whole universe which does not have a name. Try. No, you are unable to find it because there is nothing in this world which doesn't have a name, and everything which has a name, it is called noun. Very good. So let us discuss once again what we have studied, that noun is a word that contains a person, place, thing, idea, or in your book if you have seen on the page number 27 it is written, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing or quality. All naming words are noun. So the very simple thing that there is nothing in this world which is not a noun. Everything is a noun. But how you will understand that which noun, because there are different types of noun. How you will make yourself understand that which noun you are talking about. So basically, let us make our idea clear. When we talk about a person, that person has to be a particular someone whom you recognize by the name only. You can see Sachin. Everyone knows Sachin. When we talk about a place, that place refers to only that place only. It doesn't mean that there are 10 Taj Mahal in this India. No, it's only one. When we talk about thing, it can be a books also, or some like tables also, chairs also, anything. Or when you talk about idea simply means which you cannot touch or you cannot see but you can only feel, like bravery, love, anger. These are the examples of your ideas. So let's move ahead and talk about the classifications of noun. In your book, the classification of noun is given to you in the same parts: proper nouns and common nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, collective nouns, concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Concrete, it simply means the material noun and the abstract nouns. So basically, there a countable noun and uncountable noun is a little bit different part. So in this video, we will discuss all about proper noun and common noun and collective nouns. So let's move forward. When we talk about proper and common, proper, name of a particular place or thing. Common, name we given in general to all person, place or thing. Hope this is clear to you, but let's see some example. In the right hand side you can see there are a bundle of books. Many books are there. You cannot recognize which one is the Hindi book, which one is the English book, which one is the maths book. So it's a bunch of books. But in the next side, if you will see carefully, there is a book and the name written, the grammar tree. So it means it make you clear that when it indicates to all books, it is a common noun. And when it indicates a single book named a new grammar tree, it simply means it is your proper noun. Hope it is clear to you, but let's see some more example. It indicates person, but when we talk about Sachin, it is a proper. It indicates book, but when we talk about new grammar tree, it is the Proper noun. Very good. When we talk about swimmer, swimmer indicates to the whole swimmers, not any person who is a swimmer. But when we talk about Michael Phillips, it indicates a swimmer whose name is Michael Phillips. It becomes your proper, and when we talk about swimmer, it is only a common. When you talk about India, India is the name of India only. You cannot call America to India. India is India only, so it becomes your proper noun. When you talk about country, there are many countries, so that becomes your common noun. Very good. So let's see some more examples. But before seeing these examples, just remember the green color, that indicates for proper noun. Orange color, that indicates for your common noun. So Nihir has a bag, has a big bag. So bag indicates to any kind of bag, but Nihir is the proper person here. Paris is the capital of France. Now Paris is also a name of a country, and France is the capital. France is the main country where Paris is the capital of that country, and you cannot call Delhi as a Paris. So the very same way, France and Paris are the proper nouns. A dog is man's best friend. Now a dog, it can be any dog. It can be a Pomeranian, it can be a bulldog, a Vodafone dog, any dog. Man's, any man they are talking about. Best friend. Now friend indicates the whole group of friend. They have not specified which friend, which man or which dog they are talking about. So it becomes your common noun. Very good. Arun likes to travel by train. Now which train? Is that a Rajdhani Express, Saptkranti or whichever? So train indicates all the trains. So train becomes your common noun. But Arun likes to travel. So now Arun is a specific name, particular name. It becomes your proper noun. Let's move ahead, and now let us discuss about collective noun. Students, if you have already cleared with the concept of proper and common noun, then you are able to do the exercises of your chapter first and second by yourself. Now let us discuss about collective. It is already clear to you that it refers to a group or collection of same kind. Either it could be a person or a place or a thing. Let's discuss. When we have already seen there is a mountain of this books, but when the huge books collection is there, we call it bunch of books. When there is sailors are there, but when they sit all together, we call them crew of sailors also. Let's see some more examples. When there are small puppies in a group, we call it a litter of puppies. There are geese, we call it a gaggle of geese. Lions, pride of lion. Monkeys, a troop of monkeys. Musicians, a band of musicians. Pearls, a rope of pearls. So hope students, collective noun is also clear to you. And when you check your book, on page number 29 and 30, you will find several examples of collective nouns. I believe if you will learn all about these given examples, then it will help you to name all the collections. So hope students, collective noun is also clear to you. Now just a small exercise for you. Just take your copies and your pens, write it down these sentences, and now your homework is to find out which nouns are present here. Now it can be a proper, common, collective, whatsoever. Now it's your homework. So hope students, you have understood the chapter. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me in your online classes. Thank you.